Hey, g'day guys. Doing this tidy up of this LS400 and breaking the job down into lots of little videos just of individual bits. The next bit is going to be taking the loom off, or the harness that goes to the starter motor. So it's pretty simple. In this case, I've removed the front suspension, I've removed the engine, I've removed the intake manifold, I've removed the exhaust manifolds, I've removed the exhaust manifold cover. That was all pretty straightforward, eh? And now I'm going to take the loom out. If you want to see the individual parts of that, I've made a video on each bit. But let's just take this loom out and we'll have a look. So the loom I'm talking about is this one here that goes to the starter motor. I've removed the two starter motor bolts, there and there. Down here, I've removed this 14mm bolt right here on the back of the cylinder head, and the little insert fell out. Cover that was here has been removed, and there is a bolt here. The earth strap there. There's the earth. And then behind this engine mount, which I yet to remove, we'll just pop that up there, and there's a little clip right here. Thumbnail straight into the engine mount. We'll just remove this engine mount. Engine mount out of the way. There's the clip there. There's that wiring loom loose. Into the starter motor. Now, I unclipped it off the pipe that goes through for the heater. Both the knock sensor plugs are broken. I am just going to put a mark on them. Now, if you're not sure which way round the knock sensors go, just put a mark on them. Now this one, the white wire, pretty sure it was always white, goes to the right hand, and the left hand is the black one. Starter motor, I'm just going to give that loom a bit of a twist around. Take the nut off the starter motor. And starter motors, this is the later one with the molded clip. The early ones just have a Lucar, and again there's no clip on that one, and it's partly broken. This has had a starter motor, this job, this vehicle, so that is not on my list. I would guess that's a rebuilt one, so that will just go back in. And out will slip the loom. It's meant to have a clip here that's bolted on the starter motor. Oh. Yeah, so normally there's also a bolt here onto the starter. However, that loom has fallen apart in that department. Right, that leaves us with a snail. Maybe someone was making a racing snail and they took the shell off. They probably found it was still a bit sluggish. All this crap in here. Oh, look! If you were doing the EGR gasket video, if you're watching the EGR, there's the gasket for it. Oh, that's the O-ring off the fuel rail. Don't worry, that was the one I dropped. The trick for in here, don't let your wife or partner see you doing the vacuuming in the engine. They'll want you to do it in the house. These blocks also have a block drain from the valley. Goes through the back of here and this side as well. Look how much shit was in here. So it goes through it. If I get it here, it pops through here. There it is there. It allows water, moisture to flow down the back of here, out of here, and into the back of here. Oh, more crap for me to get out of there too.